Hi, I'm Brad from Green Clean Nature Harmony Stations, and I've been asked a lot how to clean out the NHS 2.0. So what you do is you get just a knife tip of Agnihotra. That's even too much. Tiniest little bit, there you go. Even half of that will do. And you add it to already boiling water in a very clean pot. So boil your water. Once it's boiling, put the knife tip in, and then we're going to put a timer on for 5 minutes. Once the timer's up, we'll take the stove off. We turn the stove off, and you don't have to wait for the water to cool down. You can take it straight outside, put it down the tube of your NHS 2.0. So we're going to show you shortly that part. Right, so yesterday I drained the water out with a jug, and I topped it up with water. Now I use structured water. If you've got structured water, use that. But when you top it up, flush it out a bit so the stuff in the bottom drains out, all the crap that's left in the bottom after you've jarred the water out. And then just splash a bit of water off, preferably on your grounding rod, because it'll help conduct. So take a bit of water off. So you've got about a centimetre or an inch there for when you get your boiled Agnihotra water. Now if you're putting it on hot, remember, be careful, protect your hand, be careful not to spill it on yourself. So I boiled the Agnihotra for 5 minutes. Remember, bring the water to boiling, then put the Agnihotra in and boil it for a further 5 minutes. Now that that's done, this is the spirit of the fire spirit. So I'm going to put that in and remove any stagnation of the system by doing this. Pour it in down the tube. So yeah, once again, you've got clean water. You've emptied out the old water, which builds up all the crap from the air and builds up a little bit of stagnation after a while. That's why it's important to regularly clean the water out, boil the Agnihotra and put it down the tube. That's how you do it. Thank you.